our number of dimes decreases by 5. Our slope is negative. Sorry, forgot that. Now, what is our y-intercept? Well, I've already started to plot these points on my graph. I didn't plot all of them, I just plot 2. And I'm just going to connect these 2 dots as best as I can. Close enough. So, for our y-intercept is the point where we cross the y-axis. So our y-intercept happens here. That point, 16. 0, 16. What does our y-intercept mean? Well, in this problem, our y-intercept means that if we have 0 number of dimes, because dimes is x, if we have 0 number of dimes, we can have 16 quarters. And then it says, what is our x-intercept? Our x-intercept is here. It's the point where we cross the x-axis. So our x-intercept is at the point 40, 0. This means that we can have 40 dimes, but we will have 0 quarters. So back to the top, where it says, what are possible solutions? And how do I know? Well, let's look at our table. I'm just going to grab one of the points off of our table. I can have 30 dimes and 4 quarters. I know that is a solution, and I'm going to use my equation. Each dime is 10 cents, so 30 times 10. Plus each quarter is 25 cents, so 25 times 4. So let's see what that is equal to. 30 times 10 cents, that's $3. Plus 25 cents times 4, that's $1, is equal to $4. So that's how I know it's a solution. I'm plugging in my values into my actual equation. So here, what is not a possible solution? So I'm going to use a point that is not on my table, or a point that's not on my actual graph. So let's say I have 40 dimes and 2 quarters. Let's see if that's possible. Into our equation, we have 10 cents per dime, so 10 cents times 40, plus 25 cents per quarter, so 20.25 times y, times 2. And let's see what that is equal to. So 10 cents times 40 is $4, plus 25 cents times 2 is 50 cents. And that is equal to $4.50. Our total can only be equal to $4. So is this a solution? It is not a solution. Somebody did bring up, it says that Cassie has a combination of dimes and quarters. So somebody mentioned the fact that our x and y intercepts are not real in this problem. Because if she only has 16 quarters and 0 dimes, she doesn't necessarily have a combination of dimes and quarters. So that's just something good to think about.